Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna salad dressing. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and some basic seasonings like salt and pepper. Fresh herbs, such as dill or parsley, can add a wonderful aroma and taste. Remember to thoroughly drain your canned tuna before you begin, ensuring a perfect consistency for your salad. Now, let's create the creamy base for our dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of your preferred mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Next, add about 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and a small pinch of salt to taste. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and all components are perfectly blended, forming a rich and consistent base. To elevate the flavor and add delightful texture, we'll incorporate a few more elements. Stir in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped celery. This provides a wonderful crunch. Next, add 1 tablespoon of minced red onion for a subtle, savory kick without overpowering the tuna. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This brightens all the flavors and adds a refreshing zest to your dressing. With your dressing complete, it's time to combine it with the tuna. Gently fold the creamy dressing into your thoroughly drained tuna, ensuring every flake is evenly coated. Avoid overmixing to maintain the tuna's texture. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill your tuna salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully before you serve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.